Alright, in this Boxcar Press video we're going to go over inks for letterpress and how to mix them using the Pantone formula guide. So there's three types of ink that are commonly used for letterpress printing. The most common by far is the Pantone Rubber Base ink, Rubber Base Plus. It's slow drying and stays on the press overnight if you need it to. It's really good and well suited for uncoated papers, which is what most letterpress printers use. A quicker drying ink and one that'll print well on coated papers and other types of paper is CML Oil Base Plus, and this dries up more quickly on the press, so you'd want to wash it before leaving it overnight. And lastly, the Pantone sells an acrylic ink called Infinity, and this provides really vibrant colors. It stays open, similar to Rubber Base, and it's suited for all sorts of different stocks. So those are the three inks that we sell. The most common though, and the one that we use mostly in our print shop, is the Pantone Rubber Base Plus.
In this demonstration we're going to mix Pantone 3135. We can see from our Pantone formula guide that this ink is 11 parts processed blue and 5 parts Pantone green by weight. We measure the weight on a triple beam scale, although any highly accurate scale will work. First, I'll zero our scale to a sheet of paper that we use to measure the ink on. Letterpress inks are heavy and stiff. Soupy inks don't print well. To remove the ink from a can, use a palette knife to skim the surface of the ink in the can. Don't dig down in the can, only skim the surface. Measure the amount you put onto the paper. In this case, I need 5 grams to make 5 parts of green. Then I'll open the can of processed blue and use a fresh palette knife to scoop out 11 grams. Perfect. Well, almost. That's better. Now let's scrape the inks from the papers that I measured them on, trying to remove everything that's on the sheet. Then mix, working and reworking the ink until it develops a uniform color.